All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching our first video about the OEM Exhaust Mod and your feedback on the forums about how it sounds. Today, we want to do this quick little video to show the process because it seems like Dylan, by the way, everybody, this is Dylan Smitherman that you've seen on Facebook. The famous Dylan. I actually got him to be on camera today. Yes. So we've been getting a lot of questions, right? So what is everybody asking mainly?
Mainly what the OEM Supra Mod means. If it's a full exhaust, if they have to ship theirs to us first, kind of just the whole rundown.
So we even got people asking if we're selling a manual on how to do it yourself, but it's something we were thinking about when I first came up with the idea. And again, it's not just my idea. This is something that we used to do back in the day, like over 10 years ago on other BMWs. And I say other BMWs. But yeah, so everyone thinks that we're gonna send them a whole downpipe back, 10-foot long exhaust. That's not the case. So basically we're gonna be sending you just the rear section, as you see here. So obviously we're gonna provide you with the clamps and the fittings that you need, and basically wherever you go to get it installed, and it shouldn't cost you more than, or should be less than $100 to have someone cut this. And then when you get our OEM exhaust mod in the box, it'll come with a return shipping label. You'll get one of these. Obviously this is in process right now. This is being sent out soon. So we're gonna ship this out in a box, fully protected obviously, with a return label, with the clamps and everything you need to install it on yours. You cut it at the same exact spot and put your exhaust, unmodified stock exhaust, in the same box that we send you. Send that back to us, and there's a core exchange, and you have the option whether to pay a core or just send us back the exhaust or keep your stock exhaust. So it's as simple as that. We're not gonna be sending out.
So we're sending out this one first and then the customer is sending back. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna send out.
That way they're not just stuck without.
Yeah, exactly. Because you know, that way when you get the exhaust mod, you'll be able to see exactly, or whoever's gonna be cutting it will be able to see exactly where to cut it, and then you'll have all the clamps. Put that piece back in the box that we send you. Use the return label that we include, and then send it back to us. Cool. It's as easy as that.
Yeah. Simple.
And we can ship it worldwide, across the country, wherever you need. And obviously we got some increase for install too, so we'll hit you guys back up. If you have any questions or want to hear it, check out the video of what it sounds like in the link in this information bubble thing right here. Check it out. Let us know if you have any questions, feedback. Hit up Dylan.
Dylan is DILLON at StudioRSR.com.
Yeah, and then obviously if you can't reach him, our phone's available, 844-991-5582. Check out our website, StudioRSR.com.